Hello Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to do this eye makeup tutorial, and this is especially for Valentine's Day, which is around the corner. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm going to start by applying this tape and this will give me very sharp corners, which I really like, and I don't worry about the colors going really out of the eye. So yeah, so now I'm going to apply my concealer just on my eyes, and also under my brow, above my brow. It gives a sharp look, and I'm using this brush, some flat brush you can use, and it gives a sharp brows and clean eyebrows, and the color is medium. So I'm applying the concealer all over my eyelid, and which is going to act as a base for my eyeshadows, which is coming up next. So before the eyeshadows, I am going to set my concealer with a loose powder so that the eyeshadows are going to go smooth after this. So now I'm going to use this Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette, and I'm going to use this color. This is a nice pinkish coralish color, and I'm going to first deposit on the outer corner and then blending it, like taking it in and just blend and blend. And forgot to tell you that this is the transition color. So now going a little bit darker and using this color as a crease color, and I always take the crease color a little bit above my crease because again I have hooded and folded eyes. So take the color little by little and keep blending until you're satisfied and it looks good. So now I'm going to take this shade like a dark brown color, and I'm going to apply this color on my outer corner, making it V and not taking too much inside, and just again take and blend until you feel your dark corners are enough dark and they're all blended. Now I'm taking this Supernova shadow by Colourpop, and this is running in orbits, and this is a nice liquidy shimmery kind of a color, and I'm applying it directly like you can see, and just apply and wait for 30 seconds. It dries and doesn't move anywhere, and it really looks good. Now I'm removing my tape, and see, I get a nice dark corner. Now I'm going to apply this color and apply on my lower lash line. So I applied both the dark brown one, both dark shades on my lower lash line. So as you must have noticed, I am back after also applying the foundation, concealer, blush, and little bit contouring. So now I'm going to apply this NYX, it's almost like a pinky white color on my lower lid, and it will make my eyes go pop up. Now I'm applying this NYX lip liner in the color Hot Red, and this looks really wonderful, guys. So now I'm applying this beautiful color by MAC. It's a liquid lipstick, and this is in Fashion Legacy. This is reddish orangish color. Really looks beautiful. I'm finishing my makeup by spraying this Fix Plus by MAC, and this is the new one in rose fragrance, and it's just the fragrance, nothing different. So I hope you like this makeup tutorial, especially for Valentine's Day coming up. And if you did, please don't forget to comment below and let me know. And please guys, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Follow me on my social media and the links are down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Happy Valentine's Day.